Hello, and welcome to the second semester of school. But before we start the second semester, we're going to make sure we have not forgotten the first semester. So I'm going to explain to you really quickly what you are supposed to do. Um, you will not be able to complete this entire thing in the next 2 days, today and tomorrow. However, you're just going to work on the colonial and the American Revolution era. So here's what you'll do. Here's the four eras we did. Here is everything you learned about in exploration and colonization. And then you complete each lesson. So on this one, you can't draw on here, but you can insert image, search the web, blank US map. You can use any of these that you want. And all you're going to do is, so so you can select one. Oops, I'll select insert. I gotta make that smaller, move it around, then make it bigger. And then you're going to need to label these places. Y'all by now know how to insert a text box. So if you want to label something somewhere and then you just write it in. So you'll label these places here. Those are all major places that we talk about throughout the year. You'll go to the next one. So this is what this is. Let me kind of back up, is like all your essential learning. If you don't know these things, these are like the things you have to know to even begin to be successful. So you go on to the next thing. So this is a lot like what we did in class, but you're going to notice that the readings are not there. Those things are missing because we assume that you already know those things. Have we forgotten some stuff? Of course people have. And that's okay. I'll show you where you can go to possibly fix that. So you go to the next page. It wants, why did Spain explore France, England? Well, maybe you don't remember them all, and so I'll show you where to go for that. But to answer this, y'all by now know text box. Start typing in. Okay, I don't have to do all those text box for you. It's just an easy thing for you to add yourself. Tell me facts about Jamestown, Plymouth. You come here, 13 colonies map. This was a brain drain we did. If it's easier for you to draw this out by hand and then just attach a picture, you're more than welcome to do that. But this is, what did we draw here? So we had 3 different boxes. We had we had tobacco down here. We had some livestock. So we had 1 picture here, 3 here, and we had 4 pictures here. And then here you have to answer the questions. You have to circle the right answer. So rocky soil leads to which one? Well, how do I do that? You can, even if you want, you could also insert shape, do a square and just circle, or use a circle, but see how it does it in gray? You would have to go up here and go to transparent, and then it would be circling your answer, okay? Or you could put a circle there, whatever you want to do, to make sure I know what your answer is. Okay, and so you'll just continue here. You use these answer choices, put them in the right spot. So again, insert text box to type your answer. Again, completing this chart, primary reasons, visuals or phrases, if we talked about those in class, tips and tricks. We did this in class. Then you go to the American Revolution. This is literally just telling you the laws of mercantilism. You got to finish the sentence, finishing sentences. On a lot of these, there's nothing for you to do. It's just, here are the 3 battles. And on this one, you're going to have to insert text box to write the correct, categorize these in the correct spot. Declaration of Independence, who wrote it? So again, insert text box to answer those questions. And we go to the Constitution. What are some strengths and weaknesses of the Articles of Confederation? Again, insert text box for all of those. The principles. So this is separation of powers. Don't just write separation of powers. What is the trick we're looking for? We're looking for one branch. You'll fill all these in. You'll get to early republic. Again, filling in the question, insert text box. Even for filling in a triangle, all you have to do is insert text box, what goes there. Judicial review. So it just keeps going. You are more than welcome to go ahead and attempt to finish the whole thing, but I'm only requiring that today and tomorrow you finish Colonial American Revolution. Now, let's say we forget things. You actually have some of these assignments in your drive. So you would go to your Google Drive, and those are your notes. It's a little more, to me, difficult being virtual, but that is something that you can do. You go back through your drive and look them up. Also, I'm attaching this note sheet that can help you. So this is the first. I'll attach it to this assignment. So this is like reasons for exploration, forms of government. This is the things that you learned in the first semester. So this can help you answer some of the questions. Also, here's your strengths and weaknesses of the Articles of Confederation. And this is actually for the entire school year, but you will just need let's see, just the first 3 slides. But if you would like to use that to help you complete your review, the goal is that I want you to go through here and do what you can do from, memory first. Do what's the easiest part to do. But some of these, like this, we have an exact assignment. There's even a video over this. So you could definitely go to your Google Drive to help you complete that. Okay. So this is what you're going to work on for the next few days. If you have questions, all you got to do is ask me through Google Classroom or send me an email, post it on the stream, however you want to ask me that question, okay? All right, welcome to the second semester. Let's make sure we've got that first semester taken care of.